Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little different, a telephone padlock. If you've never seen one of these before, they were used back in the day to lock rotary dial phones so people couldn't make unauthorised calls. The way it works is simple. It has a flat-ended shackle design to fit between the dial and the body of the phone, preventing the dial from turning. What makes this one interesting is that it has the ABUS logo on it, but it also says Hong Kong, which is unusual since ABUS is a German company. Holding it in hand, it feels pretty light, which you'd expect from a small lock, but something still seems a bit off. There are no markings on the bottom where you'd usually see a batch number or serial number on a real ABUS. It looks the part, but something isn't quite right. Let's see how this holds up to picking. I'll start with a hook and a tension wrench, and let's see how long it takes to get this thing open. Well, that's not looking great for security. Let's try that again. And once again, about 2 seconds flat. Now, this isn't a lock that's meant to secure high-value items, but even so, you'd expect a real ABUS, even a tiny one, to put up at least some resistance. So what's the deal with this lock? It has the ABUS name, but it's made in Hong Kong, which doesn't match what we know about ABUS manufacturing. It could be a counterfeit, or maybe something made under license, but either way, it's not going to stop someone from making unauthorised calls. Maybe even dialing into those premium rate lines late at night. Still, it's a cool piece of history. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you seen one of these before? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel, and have a nice day.